Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes of Sunrise Global School. This is Asmita Sharma, your maths teacher, and today we are going to start with the chapter number 7, exercise 7.2. So today we are going to do the exercise 7.2. So the first question over here is find the cube root by prime factorization method. So you already know what a prime factorization method is. You have already done this method in the last chapter, that was square and square root. So similarly, by using prime factorization method, we have to find the cube and the cube roots. Now first of all, the first sum over here is 64. So the first question is 64. While doing the prime factorization of 64, you know that 64 goes into the table of 2, right? So while dividing 64 by 2, we will get 32. Now similarly, dividing 32 by 2, we will again get 16. So here dividing 16 again with 2, we will get 8. Again dividing 8 with 2, we will get 4. And dividing 4 with 2, we will get 2. And at the end, by dividing 2 with 2, we will get answer 1. So prime factorization is the method in which you have to wait until the 1 arrives. So here in this you can see that we have calculated the factors of 64. So there are 6 times 2's into this factors. So first of all we will list all the factors, यानी कि जो भी factors आए हैं उन सबको हम लोग सबसे पहले list कर लेंगे, and then we will make the group of 3. So here you have to make the group of 3. So this is the first group of 3, this is the second group of 3, right? So here you will write that 64 cube root, that means you have to give the sign of root also, and the 3 over here signifies cube, so we have to write cube root. So while doing the cube root, you will find that this is 2 cube and again this is 2 cube. Now this is simple, that whensoever this cube root will go, this will take the cubes with it. So 64 cube root is as simple as it, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So 4 is the cube root of 64. So this is how we do the cube root by the method of prime factorization. Come, let's solve the second question over here. So while solving the question 2, that is 512, so here we'll again do the prime factorization, and dividing 512 will first start with 2. So 2 2s is 4, we'll get 1 over here. 2 5s is 10, again 1 will remain and it will be 256. Again dividing this number by 2, we'll get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 1 will remain, that means it makes 16. So 2 8s will be 16. Again this will be like 64, and this again goes like 2 into 32 will be 64. 2 divided by 32 will be 16. 2 divided by 16 will be 8. Again dividing 8 by 2 you will get 4, and dividing 4 by 2 you will get 2, and 2 1s is 2. Okay, so this is how we'll get the factors of 512. So we'll list the factors of 512 over here. You can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 9 times 2 you have to write over here. So the next step will be grouping the numbers. We'll make the group in 3. So this is the group of 3. Again there is a group of 3, and the last group of 3 is over here. We'll put a cube root mark on 512, and we'll put like 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. Now when the cube root sign will go, all the cubes will go along, and we'll find that 512 cube will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So the cube root of 512 is 8. Understood? I hope the method of prime factorization in both the sums is clear to you. We'll move on to the next sum. Now the next sum is a bit tricky one, or you can say a hard sum. So the number that we have over here is 110592. So this is a quite long number, that is why I have chosen a blank page. We'll start by dividing it by doing the prime factorization. So I'll write 110592, which is my question. First of all, we'll divide it by 2, because here the 2 is over here, that is the even number. So जब हम इसको 2 से divide करेंगे तो we'll get 2 5s are, that is 10. Then again we'll get 2 5s are 10, and then 2 9 6. So this is how we'll get the answer. Again we'll divide this number by 2 and we'll get 2 7 6 4 8. Dividing it again by 2, because we have already getting a even number, so it will be like 1 3 8 2 4. Dividing this number again with 2 will get 2 6 are, that is 12. 1 will be remain, so it will be like 9. Again it will be like 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are is 4. 6 9 1 2 is the answer. Again we'll divide this number by 2, so we will get 2 3s are is 6, 2 4s are is 8, 1 will remain over here, 2 5s are is 10, and 1 will remain, so it will be like 2 6 are is 12. So the answer we again got is 3 4 5 6. Dividing it by 2, 2 1s are is 2, 1 will remain over here, 2 7s are is 14, 2 2s are is 4, so 1 will remain over here, it will be like 1 7 2 8. Dividing this number by 2 again, 2 8s are is 16, 2 6s are is 12, and 2 4s are is 8. Again 2 4s are is 8, 2 3s are is 6, 2 2s are is 4, 2 2s are is 4, 2 1s are is 2, and 2 6 are is 12. So 216 is the answer that we are getting over here. Again I think I have to broaden it, because this is going too long. Now 2 1s are is 2, so here it will be like 0 we will carry, so that we get 16. 2 8s are is 16. Now 2 5s are is 10, and 2 4s are is 8. Again 2 2s are is 4, and 14 is over here, so we'll get 7 27. So now we can't put 2 again here, so here we will divide this number by 3. So 3 9s are is 27, 3 3s are is 9, and 3 1s are is 3. So see, there is a long list of factors that we have got. We'll all list all the factors over here. This is how we will list it. So let me count the number of 2's. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There are 12 times 2, yani ki 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? So this is 12 times 2, and there are 3 times 3. We'll make the pair. So while making the pair, you will get a pair of 2, another pair of 2, pair of 2, this pair of 2, and this pair of 3. So while listing all the pairs, we can find that there is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube and into 3 cube. So we'll put the sign of cube root over 110592, and while finding the answer, we'll see that the cube root will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are is 24. So this is the answer of this whole sum. I hope this much is clear to you. So this is how you have to solve whole question number 1, which is your homework for today. Thank you and have a nice day.